In 1993, Catherine D. Sullivan made history by performing a spacewalk to repair the Hubble Space Telescope. This wasn't just a routine operation. It was a pivotal moment in space exploration. Sullivan's mission was to repair a device that had expanded our understanding of the universe beyond what any Earth-bound telescope could offer. The Hubble Space Telescope, with its ability to see into the deepest corners of the cosmos, had a problem. Its primary mirror was flawed, and it was up to Sullivan to fix it. She stepped out into the black abyss of space, armed only with her tools and training. The task was daunting. She wasn't just fixing a piece of equipment, she was repairing a window into the cosmos. The challenges were immense. In the weightless environment, every movement had to be calculated, every action meticulously planned. To repair the Hubble, Sullivan had to replace the telescope's faulty mirror with a new one, an operation of such delicacy and precision that it was akin to performing surgery in zero gravity. But Sullivan was up to the task. Her skilled hands made the necessary adjustments, and soon the Hubble was back in business, its gaze once again fixed on the stars. Sullivan's Hubble repair mission not only fixed a vital piece of space technology, but also proved the invaluable role of spacewalks in maintaining and repairing space infrastructure.